First reading, Proverbs chapter 21 verse 1 to 6, 10 to 13. Like flowing water is a king's heart in Yahweh's hand, he directs it wherever he pleases. All actions are straight in the doer's own eyes, but it is Yahweh who weighs hearts. To do what is upright and just is more pleasing to Yahweh than sacrifice. Haughty eye, proud heart, lamp of the wicked, nothing but sin. The hardworking is thoughtful, and all is gain. Too much haste, and all that comes of it is want, to make a fortune with. The help of a lying tongue, such is the idle fantasy of those who look for death. The soul of the wicked is intent on evil, to such a person no neighbor can ever do right. When a cynic is punished, simpletons grow wiser, but someone of understanding acquires knowledge by instruction. The upright one watches the house of the wicked, he hurls the wicked to destruction. Whoever refuses to listen to the cry of the weak, will in turn plead, and not be heard. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 119 verse 1, 27, 30, 34, 35, 44. How blessed are those whose way is blameless, who walk in the law of Yahweh. Show me the way of your precepts, that I may reflect on your wonders. I have chosen the way of constancy, I have molded myself to your judgments. Give me understanding and I will observe your law, and keep it wholeheartedly. Guide me in the way of your commandments, for my delight is there. I shall keep your law without fail forever and ever. Gospel, Luke chapter 8 verse 19 to 21. His mother and his brothers came looking for him, but they could not get to him because of the crowd. He was told, "Your mother and brothers are standing outside and want to see you." But he said in answer, "My mother and my brothers are those who hear the word of God and put it into practice."